Hello and welcome to Bling Beach Glass Windows. Today I am going to show you how to put together the Dreamcatcher window. My name is Sharon and I am the person who gets to assemble these windows. So first off, if you purchase a kit, you are going to receive the base, the top, two sides, two screws, two barrel nuts, two pieces of glass, and one set of instructions. The screwdriver you will have to supply. Let's start then. First, these are the sides, and you'll notice that the sides have a hole right here, and that's where we're going to put the barrel nut. Now look at this barrel nut. It's got a screwdriver slot in it. Make sure that is up, and it is following the same direction as the side. I'm just going to push it down. I'm not really applying too much pressure, but we do want it to be down all the way. So we just push it down, we don't turn it. There we go. Now it's all set, and we'll be able to put the screws, we'll screw into right here. All right? So now we're going to take the screws and we're going to put them in the base. This is the base, and on the back you will note that there is a recessed hole here. We just place the screw in there, place the other one in the other side here, and then we're going to take our side, we're going to line it up, and then we're going to, on the back side here, we're just going to go ahead and just screw that in until it's just very tight, but not too tight. When you feel it engage, you probably should just turn it a little bit more, maybe about a quarter of a turn more. Do the same thing on the other side. I always have that top there to kind of help rest it. Again, just a little bit further. And what I do is I just kind of line it up with this center here so that all the glass grooves are together. And you'll see on this side, this one is really kind of crooked, so you just turn it. If you can't turn it, then you've tightened it too much. Then we're going to go ahead and we're going to test it. I like to always check it before I put the glass in. And what I do is I just kind of look at the end, and you can see that there's a little bit of even though it's straight on the other side, there seems to be a little bit of this needs to be turned just a little. So we'll turn it just a little, bring it to the very edge to make sure that it's straight. It is. Let's check the other side. Bring it so it's straight. And that looks like it's pretty good. Now we're going to go ahead and take that off. We're going to go over here to our glass. I've already cleaned it. I always clean my glass before I put it in, especially the windows that we have that we create for displays. When we empty them, they definitely need to be cleaned after that. So we'll take it. This has a little bit of foam on it. Just place it down into the grooves, holding onto the sides, and it's in. Make sure they're down all the way. They kind of go in right very easily. And there you have it. A Dreamcatcher window. Now you can fill it with your bling. Thank you for listening, and don't forget to check us out at Bling Beach Glass Window or on our Etsy page. Thank you and have a great day.